So GrabCad, it allows us to share files with everyone that needs them. We need to be able to sort our files so that we can find what we need easily. So the first number is always going to be 0, and the reason this is going to be 0 is because when you put a 0 number, it's going to put it higher than every other number. Then the next number is either going to be a 0 or a 1. A 0 means it's an assembly, a 1 means it's a part. So again, you can remember this because a 0 means it's an assembly because we want our assemblies to be higher than our parts. So you're going to put a period, and then you'll put the number that indicates what subsystem you're on. So each subsystem is going to get a different number. Then after that, you'll put an underscore and you'll write down the subsystem name. And then you'll do another underscore and you'll write the part, so what it actually is. And then you'll put an underscore again and write ASSM if it's an assembly. If it's just a part, then you don't need the assembly. But what you're going to want to do is open up your Internet Explorer or whatever you use. You'll search GrabCad.com. And once you get there, it's going to look like this. You're going to want to log in. So you click on that. And you'll just log in with your account. If you need to make one, then make one. And once you're in, if you're not already in the Vortex library, then I'm going to need to add you. But once you're logged in, you want to come up to the top and you'll hit download app. And this is just going to make uploading our files easier. So once you have it open, you do not want to install the SOLIDWORKS add-in. You agree to the license, hit install, and launch. And once you're logged in, make sure that you choose the Vortex folder or library. And to use it, you'll just go to whichever files you have, and you can click Open Folder, and this will let you go into the files. So if you make a change to your file, you're actually going to see that it says file ready to upload. So you'll just click on it and you'll hit upload, and it'll send it to everyone else. So this is just an easy way for us to share all of our files. And upload is complete.